are going to make chocolate milkshake. For that I have taken Oreo chocolate ice cream. So if you don't have Oreo chocolate ice cream, instead of that you can take normal chocolate ice cream and 2 to 3 Oreo biscuits. Second ingredient we need is a banana. We don't need the whole banana, we just need 2 to 3 slices of a whole banana. Next ingredient we need is frozen milk. I have taken 4 cups of milk, that is refrigerated and frozen. So according to the amount of milkshake you need, that decides the quantity of milk you need. So if you need 4 cups of milkshakes, take 4 cups of milk. So preparing the milkshake, we need a blender, and I have taken 3 scoops of Oreo chocolate ice cream. Add to the blender. So we need this much amount of banana, 2 to 3 slices. Now add the frozen milk to the blender. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar. If you don't need sugar, you can skip this step. Add 2 bars of chocolate of your choice. I prefer to add dark chocolate. I'm going to blend this gently. So our yummy milkshake is ready to be served. It looks yummy, right? So it's ready to be served. And at the end, you can add chocolate or vanilla icing on the top. For garnishing, we can add an Oreo biscuit on the side. It looks yummy, right? Why should you wait? Give it a try today itself. If you love this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and subscribe the channel. Don't forget to like and share.